What crosses your mind when you think of a modern travel brand that focuses on helping people explore the world effortlessly? Well, today I'll be taking you behind the scenes of how I came up with the logo and the brand identity for this brand called Travell. From concept to final design, I'll break down my creative decisions and explain why they work, and show you how this logo captures the essence of the travel industry and convenience. Let me take you through the brief for this brand so you can understand why some of the creative decisions were made. Travell focuses on effortless travel, adventure, and creating unforgettable experiences. So based on this brief, I had to focus on three main things to create something that is really a representative of the Travell brand. So I had to focus on movement, simplicity, and memorability. Let's get into the design process. So for this project, I didn't really need to sketch because I already had an idea in mind. After my research phase, I started to explore with simple shapes and a few concepts, from arrows to lines to the letter T from the name Travell. But then I thought to myself, what represents travel best? Remember when we were kids and we used to build the paper plane, and it's always a sign for fun and adventure. Yeah? Yes, that's exactly what I thought. It's universal, sleek, and represents movement and exploration. It's also playful, which adds a sense of adventure. Perfect for Travell. From here, I worked on refining the shape and balancing the typography and making sure everything looked clean and professional. So now, let me break down the logo for you. The first element, as you can see from the logo, is the paper plane, which represents something effortless. Effortless travel. It also represents speed, smoothness, and excitement. Think back to when you were a child and you were playing with a paper aeroplane, right? It's always fun, adventurous, and exciting. The next thing was the dot, which signifies a takeoff point or a starting point. And that needed to be incorporated to feel like you are taking off, as you can see with the logo. And then we also had to incorporate a sense of adventure, something that will align with the brand's entire identity. So at the base of the aeroplane, we put a mountain silhouette, and that makes it feel like we are on an adventure. So this subtly hints at destinations, exploration, and iconic travel experiences. Hey, let that sink in. And then we went on to match the logo with a bold typography, and the typography of choice is Poppins, right? It's modern, it's strong, giving Travell a confident, trustworthy look. A few adjustments were made, creating the angular shapes around a few of the letters to create something unique for the brand. And finally, we selected colors. A combination of black, white, and green helped give a sense of adventure, growth, especially the black, which adds a touch of premium sophistication. Now, I want you to imagine the logo in real life, on an app, a website, a boarding pass, or even your luggage. It's clean, it's memorable, and it fits seamlessly into the travel industry. This is what makes a logo truly work. It's not just about looking good, but about feeling right for the brand. So, if you see this logo or this brand outside, would it feel like I want to fly with Travell? Let me know in the comments what you think, and if you enjoyed this breakdown, please don't hesitate to like, follow, share, and stay tuned for more logo breakdowns and branding insights. And until next time, keep creating, stay creative. Cheers.